Cricut Design Space makes finding the right font and editing text simple so you can easily personalize your project. Let's add a title to this scrapbook layout and learn how to use the Edit panel to style it. By clicking on All Fonts in the Edit panel, you can filter for different font options and easily find the one that will work well with your design. Choosing a filter option will change what fonts appear in your main font dropdown. There are 5 filter options. All Fonts will display all fonts available for use. System Fonts will show only fonts found on your computer. Cricut Fonts will filter for fonts from the Cricut library. Single Layer will filter for fonts that only contain one layer. Writing Style Fonts will filter for Cricut fonts specifically designed to be drawn with a pen and not cut. While most fonts will trace the outside of the letters, Writing Style fonts feature letters with single strokes, so they're most similar to handwritten text. Writing Style fonts have already been added to the layout. Writing Style fonts automatically default to being drawn with a pen rather than cut. However, the font must be attached to the image you want it to be drawn on. To find a specific font, select the text, then narrow your options using the filters. Here, we choose Cricut Fonts. In the main font dropdown, you can then scroll through the fonts or type a name of a font in the search field. If you hover over on a font, the full name will display. Once you find the font you want to use, simply select it. Fonts often have style options so you can add variety to your project. In the Font Style dropdown, you may choose from available options like regular, bold, italic, or writing style. When purchasing a font, all styles available come with the font. Change the size of the text by either dragging the handlebars of the image bounding box, adjusting the point size as we're doing here, or entering a specific size using the size options below. You can change the alignment of your text inside the text box. Text alignment defaults to the left, but you can also choose to center or right align your text. Now let's make the word great a different font. Double-click on the phrase and delete that word. To have a phrase fill the same space, we need to increase the line spacing. You can type in an exact number or click the up and down arrows. Now, let's add the word great in a different font. First, add another text box. We'll choose a script font. In order to make the letters touch, we'll decrease the letter spacing, either by typing in an exact number or by clicking the up and down arrows. To make the R, E, A, and T in our word cut out altogether, ungroup the text and then weld the letters together. Lastly, we'll sync the colors so everything looks exactly how we want it to. The Edit panel makes it easy to personalize text and go from inspiration to creation in just a few clicks.